so people can look at it later on. Um, but yeah, so just spectate a little bit. What I'm trading right now is Nasdaq, which Nasdaq is basically one of the 100, well, it's the 100 best companies in one, and they move together. So depending on their performance. So, when you hear when they say Apple did bad or something, that can impact this here. And what I try to do is just find simple moves to enter and make a little bit of money. Now, you don't need much money to start. But I usually tell everybody don't start first. Use your money, just spectate, learn. This platform that I have is called Trading View and it's free. So it's called Trading View and it's free. And when you want to upgrade, that'll be later on. When you want to upgrade, I think they charge $20 and then you can practice like making believe with fake money that you're entering and exiting. So therefore you can learn kind of like how the flow works. So this is basically a small and small words of what it's about, of what it is about. Okay. What's up, the other Alex? Haven't seen you for a while, man. I was thinking about you the other day. Not that way, but you know, I was thinking about where's the other Alex? I don't think he has a mic. Alex, do you have a mic? Hmm. Good morning, Juan.
Hey, how you doing, guys? Good morning.
Guys, Juan makes sushi. If ever you want sushi, go there to freeload. They make professional sushi maker.
Just let
Prof-
me know you're coming from Danny, and I'll take care of you, guys.
Appreciate it. So, all right. So let me start breaking down what happened. So this big movement here. This was the reporting of like earnings, which was non-farmers employment and non-farm employment change. So basically, says over here, very well. This is a vital economic data released shortly after the month of importance and earliness makes for hefty market impacts. Job creation is an important leading indicator. So what happened today was that there's no new jobs. It was red, as you can see here, red, and because it was red, it had negative news temporarily. So it came down, negative news. But remember that all these stocks here, they're moved by Apple. The big ones are Apple. There's like three big ones that move it: Nvidia and Microsoft. So those are the big three ones that move it. If those three guys are green, then we're looking at buys. And for now, they look green until 9:30 a.m. so we can take a look. But I truly think right now the buyers have a lot of strength. And today is the day that I believe that Jeremy is going to make his comeback. The Patriots in the fourth quarter a couple of years ago. Um, yeah, so we had two losing days with Jeremy. Jeremy is building his account. He started with 160, he brought it to 500, and now it's down like 300. And because of the two losing days, so the goal is, right? The goal is to bring the Jeremy to $1,000, safely, the $1,000 mark. He's been trading it so far. He's been trading his funds so far, like officially, like 2 weeks. So we are going to aim for $1,000, and we'll see how that goes. So far, so one of the plans I have, Jeremy, today is that if the market does shoot up as promised, I guess move your stop loss accordingly. Like for every minute candle that prints, put your stop loss. Like if three candles print, just put it below the current candle. So you can try to juice out everything. I'll show you this for example. Let's say for example, one candle prints. Boom. Let's just say for example, One candle prints, you know? Um, welcome, welcome. Um, and then let's say you're already in profit because we entered. Let's say the second candle prints with power. Boom, you're up. Then you was instead of you getting out fast, if to I guess, remember your entry needs to be low. You got to give it space. So if you're up like $40 or whatever, or $50, I guess today, you just put your stop loss at the current candle here and wait to see if another third candle is going to print.
Yeah,
If
that
an,
was to me, like yesterday.
yeah. So therefore we can capitalize, you know what I'm saying, on a great move. I think that's what I'm going to do as well. That's what I'm going to do as well. Does anybody have questions before 9:30? I like to answer the questions before 9:30. Shoot ahead.
Um, I want to know, like on the side, I'm a beginner, so I'm looking at the side where it says, where you're moving at. How do you click and how do you click and know what to push and stuff?
Yeah, so that's part of like reading the market. So right now I know everything looks to you like a big zigzag, but it's because the green is buyers, a bunch of buyers right now. Green means buyers and white means sellers, but it's usually red. So the way that I know is
Right,
I just try to follow momentum, but this is the platform that I use, which is called like TradingView. And
right.
pretty much, I'm just using I'm using their platform so I can look for the market, which is Nasdaq right here, MNQ1,
Right.
and then based on the way the candle prints is how I start to know the direction. So I'm kind of like reading it as it's printing, reading the market as it's printing. I'm not sure if that answered your question a bit.
Okay, yes.
Mm-hmm.
Well, also, I have another question. Can I connect TradingView up with whatever? I tried to connect it up with Ninja Trader, but I don't think I could. Maybe I
Mm.
was doing it wrong.
Yeah. So you
Uh,
mm-hmm. You good. You just need a Ninja Trader account, and then
I have one.
okay. So yeah, you could. I think that let's see.
I was trying to because they got different apps on TradingView how you
Yeah.
connect it with.
Yeah, right here.
See which one to do.
Yeah, so I believe that in order for you to do that, I think you need the login information from TradingView. TradingView gives you login information and password, and it should be the same one. It should be the same one. It should be. I'm not too
Okay,
familiar with
so
TradingView, but hmm
I can connect it with from Ninja Trader my login information.
yes, correct.
Okay.
Exactly. Wow, this looks like a great entry. Even though pre-market hours, I hate entering, but sometimes the moves present themselves and it's hard to, you know, to say no, you know? Let's see. My loss will be um like a couple of bucks. What are we looking at here? So, yeah, man, we're looking at buys. Wow. We're looking at beautiful, beautiful. Jeremy, today looks like a beautiful buy, man, unless there's a trick.
Yeah.
But these look like beautiful buys the way that it's setting up. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna enter a tested lot here, and then I'm going to do my stop loss. So what I like to do is a tested lot. Tested lots are for me to like just feel where the market is going. And I guess for me to build confidence. Some people don't do that, but I like to do that. So this is setting up for a buy. As you can see, I'm reading the market as it's printing, and the market is telling me, hey, I want to continue up, Danny. Why is it telling me that? Well, we got a bullish candle here, bearish candle that failed, and then another bullish candle that came in out of nowhere. So in my eyes, I'm like, okay, well, it looks like, he wants to continue up. That's what it's telling me. Now if it turns around and does something crazy, that's the market because the market's telling me right now, bulls, bears, bulls with a higher
Right.
candle. Yep. So it's telling me, hey, I want to continue up. Well, if you want to continue up, I'm okay with that. I'm gonna just follow you. Now, if it does something crazy, I gotta adjust my risk accordingly, right? So I gotta adjust my risk accordingly. So far, I feel little confident that there's buys. You know what I'm saying? Now, I trade with the 1 minute. Look how beautiful the 1 minute is looking. Yesterday it
Yes.
was not looking like this. Yesterday was very zigzag, very crazy. But right now, it's showing a full thing. And I believe that the mission is to fill this wick over here. So this is usually the market always goes back to filling the wicks, filling the wicks. So that's what it's going to. Now, when you have a small account, I like to be a little extra careful. See, I'm doing a test a lot right now. I could quickly turn around and take me out, but I could afford to do that because my account is a little bit bigger. But if you have like a $200 or $300 account, losing $30 out of nowhere, let's just say for example, does hurt. So I like to when I trade with the group, if anybody, let's say for example, has a $300 account, I like to be careful with their entries. You know what I'm saying? Um, yeah. And also again, I like to feel the market to see what the market is doing. I like to get a feel of it. So, and these are going to be pre-recorded too, and I'm going to upload this at one of the channels that I have, which is called um recorded sessions. I believe I did it like plain and clear. It's called Yeah, it's called is in the Discord. Is gonna be called recorded live sessions here. That's what it's called. Plain and simple. Yeah, recorded live sessions. So then therefore you can look at it later on and you know, just study it and stuff. I'll upload it first in YouTube, so and then therefore it doesn't take a lot of memory in my computer and then um go from there. Yeah. So right now I'm just waiting for the market to talk to me to see what plans it has. Um You always have to be prepared for plan B, which is the plan of, hey, no, we decided to go down. I don't like to stick to one bias. I like to read different biases and, you know, um, read different biases and get the feel for where I think the market is going. But again, I usually like to read the stock market to see where's it going, like what are the major pairs that's moving. So we're gonna find out today if Apple started good and all those things together to see where the market is primarily going. So far, everything is green, so the buyers are good, but at 9:30 that can change. Hmm. Let's see what's happening here. Building liquidity. Oh, wow, that looks ugly. That right there looks ugly. Very, very ugly. Welcome, Omar. Welcome, Omar. If you have questions, you can ask me before market opens at 9:30. 9:30 I'll be trading, so it's hard for me to answer questions, but again, you guys can just see how I trade, and then little by little the mission is to get you guys used to the way I trade to follow my entries. That's the mission, right? So that's the mission, to eventually follow my entries. All right, so that's not looking too good here. This candle here. Hmm. So we'll see. I'm gonna move my stop loss up because if this breaks the low over here, then you know 9 minutes. 9 minutes so we can see where the market is going. 9 minutes. Mm-hmm.
Are you opening and closing on the side?
What do you mean opening, closing?
Like like charts and stuff like that? Cause like when I practice, I see the close, but I'd be like on Ninja Trader, I'd be like when I do buy, it'll say
Market is closed.
order field.
Oh yes, yes, order
But you
filled.
said
Yeah, yeah. Mine doesn't make that, but yeah, it's practically the same thing because it's futures. So sell as in down and buys as in up, but it practically works the same thing. The same.
okay.
So this is definitely looking like it wants to go up. I mean down. It broke this here, but this is even highs right here. So what I'm doing right now, I'm just reading the market, guys. Just definitely just reading the market and seeing what is telling me. What is it telling me? Um, so it looks like it's gonna probably kick me out, which is not a problem. I'll take it. And if it does kick me out, then we gotta be aware that it's probably looking. I mean, it's probably looking to range until further notice. Um, yeah.
I have one more question.
Mm-hmm.
What does the colors mean? Because like when I saw it on Trading View,
Mm-hmm.
I don't see any colors. I just see buy and sell like in the left hand corner.
So you mean the colors of like the candles or
Uh no, like on the side where I see you moving up and down on the right and I see the blue.
oh these lines?
Yes.
Yeah, those are like my zones, and that you'll learn that later on. It's kind of like the zones of the market, like kind of like the areas that the market is interested in going. So it gives me a better eye to
Okay.
read.
Right.
So for example,
Okay.
this area right here, this huge channel, this is a line, but it's just telling me, hey, we're interested here. If it breaks here, we're definitely gonna go up. Like if it does break here, we're gonna go up, you know? So it kind of
Okay.
is it's for
Yes.
confirmation and to help me build confidence, pretty much.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Oh wow, and now it decided to go up. So it kicked me out and it decided to go up. Look at that. Wow. So based on how the market is moving today, so far is looking suspect. Um, because even highs, I guess. I'll be interested in buys if it breaks this right here. But of course we have to see. We got 4 minutes, and then we're gonna see. Definitely gonna take my time today. Looking for a move.
This is looking like yesterday and Wednesday type days.
Um, so far, the way that the candles are printing, yes. Like when it does like hesitation, like, hey, I'm going up, hey, I'm going down, hey, I'm going up, hey, I'm going down. Oh, I went up. And then it goes, hey, I'm going down, hey, I'm going down, hey, I'm going up, like that. So if it doesn't show strong moves, like strong moves, then I'm gonna be on guard. But um this channel here is a strong channel. It hasn't been able to break it. I think it touched it like a lot of times. If you look at, I think I got this channel from the one day. Let me see. Yeah, here we go. See that? So failed, failed, and failed. So that's why I'm kind of also open to sells as well. But again, I'm going to read to see what the market says. So at the market open, if the stocks are good, then it might go up. Unresponsive. What is this? Exit pages. What is that? Um, so let's see. At 9:30, um we're gonna see the direction of these bad boys. See how the 15 minute is looking. This is the 1 minute. Oh wow. Look at you, buddy. Hey, it might open up strong, 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 strong. Oh man, there you go. I spoke early. Look at that. Wow. So now what it's doing is a sneak attack. It's trying to pretty much open early. And get his move early. Crazy. Wow, that's a strong, strong, strong entry. And honestly, I'm gonna just wait.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, that's basically a message that the buyers are sending, like, yo, we want to go up and we don't care what you say. That's a message to me.
People, you think it could just be grabbing people right now?
Yeah, it could, right? So you see, um, it might be wise if you want to try a first entry, Jeremy. Um, when the market opens, if it does come down over here, you can enter at the retrace. So therefore, your stop loss is very, very, very tight, and you don't lose a lot of money. So, for example, retrace isn't like this coming down like this. You know what I'm saying? Like,
I'm going for a buy.
yeah. So if the market opens and it comes down here, I'll let you know to enter a buy, and your stop loss will be below these wicks. You will only lose like $20, Mira. Here, and not even. You will lose $10, $12. So it'll have to come back deep right here, like deep, and then we'll see if we can enter that, you know. But I'm oh right here. Oh damn. So let's see how the stocks did. Still green, still green. Oh wow. Let's see. Oh, kick.
It's the sale.
Oh,
I want to go up. Right.
in May. Oh, let me see what we looking. Apple a little bit red. Microsoft, Nvidia. Oh, we might be going up. We might be going up. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. You see what I just did, Jeremy? I entered at the retrace as I stated. You see that? Mm-hmm. Stop loss break even.
I didn't answer, bro.
No, I know.
It's on me.
And he heard, and he answered. Oh wow. All right. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull the Carlos. Is Carlos there?
Nah, those more.
He's not. Oh, that thing's gone, guys. Oh, wow, wow, wow. All right, I entered that one and I got a win. It went really, really high.
Okay.
Did you guys see that or was it too fast for you guys?
So,
Or was it too fast? You guys can reply if you would like.
I was trying.
It was fast. Remember I said that it was gonna retrace here a bit, and I was like, if it retraces, enter, pretty much. And I entered right here at the bottom, right here, legit right here, not even kidding. And I only did a light one. I did a light because I was prepared to lose that. I was okay with losing it. You know what I'm saying? Right now, the entries and everything, bad. Right now, it's not worth entering at all. It's bad. The move is gone. Whatever. Let's see where it's going now. I think the weekly is about to break highs. Yeah, it's heading straight. It's heading straight to 21,969. Like strong power, strong power. But I entered that. I entered that all the way up. All the way up.
mhm.
Jeremy, you was hesitating a bit, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. That's what happens. So sometimes, guys, like when you have a couple of losing days, the market will take away your confidence, but never let it take away your strategy or your confidence because yesterday the market didn't open like this. Everybody who was here yesterday seen the way the market was acting. Do you guys remember? Some of you guys here, how the market was acting yesterday? Nothing like this. Nothing like this. It started, it was doing this whole thing right here. Yesterday, the market literally was doing this. This box here yesterday, playing around with our emotions, making little moves. And today, the day that the Jeremy supposed to enter, let's just say for example, right? But it's okay because that happened to me. That happens to me too. It took away his confidence from the last 2 days. And don't say, this move right here was a great move. You know what I'm saying? This move right here would have been like $100 gain, $130 gain. You know what I'm saying? Um, it may correct later on. So which means that it may drop later on. But where we at? It broke the channel. It broke the channel. Well, it'll be here. So right now it's at a little resistance actually. Right here. Right here's the resistance. It might break it though. That's the crazy thing is that if it breaks it, it might be a strong move up. What I'm gonna show you guys. This is a ruler that I'm using, the long position ruler. If it breaks it, dímelo, Carlos. Right here. So if it breaks this top, then it's definitely going up. How do I know that? Because if it breaks a daily resistance, a daily roof, then the market is going to drop down like a maniac. You know what I'm saying? It's going to drop down like a maniac. But I'll tell you guys, it wasn't acting like this yesterday, that's for sure. It's probably doing its correction right now. This looks a little ugly. Let me fix it for you guys. Do you guys got questions? I can answer questions now because I'm not in the trade. Yes, he wants to continue up. Oh wow, wants to continue up, you bastard. Bastard. Wants to
Is
continue.
this platform uh trade debate?
Trading View, but I use Tradeovate in together because Tradeovate is like Ninja Trader. So Tradeovate is like Ninja Trader. Trading View is the main platform that you use to link it together. Wow,
Okay,
it's gonna hit
okay.
this right here. It's gone. It's gone. It's gone. It's gone.
If it keeps breaking the next candle that closes, it's a buy, right? It'll be pretty smart, right?
Well, that purple one, right? If it breaks that purple one, you gotta wait for a retrace. It'll be very shocking, which is still possible. It'll be very shocking if the market just breaks it and continues to go up like a maniac. That'll be shocking. You know what I'm saying? Um, you know?
So this is the retrace right here, you think? Or you think it's gonna start raising?
Nah, it's a little retrace to that wait till it goes a little deeper, see what happens here. It looks like it wants to go up continuously. I mean, this is the thing, bro. These entries are called like B plus setups. They're not strong because it could retrace back. So it's a risk that you take, right? So it's retracing here. It does look like it's going to continue up, but we don't know. The market might say, "Nah, I want to go deeper." But yeah, it's an ideal. It's an ideal. You see how it's like this? It's an ideal like little entry that it could be possible. Um, you have to wait until see how that closes. Yeah, so you see it might go down, it's reacting to the channel. It might even go down, like just break it down, you know? But right now you're in the middle of the rally. So when you're in the middle of the rally, anything goes because you're in the middle of the rally. You know what I'm saying? Like I can take,
Yeah.
let's just say, for example, if this flips, I can take a buy and guess, but I'm okay with losing. Let's see. I'm okay with losing $20. Let's just say, for example, you know? See, like right now, it could be like an ideal buy. And then you put your stop loss 21,937.50, you know? But this right here, where you're, when we enter here, it's kind of like you're supposed to be already in the move, but when you enter here, it's kind of like how you're entering already when the move is gone. And then now you're trying to guess, hey, is it gonna keep going up or is it gonna keep going down, like to correct? You know what I'm saying? Now it's kind of like when you're playing the guessing game here. And then you just manage your risk. Um, you just manage your risk, you know? I think if it does break this high though, the 21,967, if it does break that, 21,967 even right here, 50, then yes, because it broke a daily high. So yes, it might just freaking, you know, uh, drop like crazy, you know? I mean, go up like crazy. What am I saying? Go up like crazy. Why can I not? Oh, there you go. Now you can see me. Any questions you guys have on the entry that I took and why? I got it recorded too, so you guys going to see the reason why I took that entry. I took an entry all the way down here, all the way down here. And the reason why I took an entry down here is very simple. I'll tell you why. Number one, when the stocks, when the 8:30 a.m. candle opened, right here, the 8:30, and they gave bad news for unemployment, the market still said we don't give a shit. We're still going up. That's confluence number one. Confluence number two. Confluence number two, it just kept on making highs. Like here, kept on making highs, kept on making. It was not going down. And the last confluence is that when the market opened, the only stocks that moved Nasdaq that did bad was Amazon. Apple did good, Microsoft still did good, and Nvidia still did good. Um, and those are the top three that moved Nasdaq: Apple, Microsoft, and Nvidia. So by me putting all those things together, I know it's a lot of thinking within a couple of minutes, but I said I'm going for buys, and if it fakes me out, then I'm ready for sells. And basically, that's what happened. And these zones are just like 1 hour zones and stuff. Like 1 hour zones, 30-minute zones. That's a little bit deeper on how I like read the market. A little bit deeper. So if you guys don't know nothing at all, and let's say for example, you wanted me to do a session, like an hour, 2 hours with you guys, and of course it's a little bit different. I'm gonna have to pay for that time, charge for that time. I'm sorry. Because I'm telling you everything from, the indicators and stuff, and that's a lot of work. You know what I'm saying? It's a lot of work. It's a lot of brain work. It's a lot of brain work. But oh, it's going up right here. Oh, see? So, in my opinion, this is looking to continue to go up. Why? Because it's telling me that. Yep, and it's moving pretty quickly and swiftly. Swiftly, quickly, swiftly, quickly. I could have entered a little bit heavier, but that entry that I entered was a risky entry because I entered on the retrace. So that's the reason why I did not go heavy on that entry, if you know what I mean. I just didn't risk a lot on that entry. Now, Jeremy might say, do I enter here? Here, no. But if I would have seen this candle here, I probably would have said enter here and then put your stop loss here. And then it's probably going to kick you out. But the real buy entry is going to be the break of this high, 21,967. Oh, okay. 21,968. 21,968. Sorry. 21,968. Never mind. Now it's going to go down to retest. You see? Now it's going to go down to retest. Now it's going to say, I am going down to retest. I'm going down. This might be a good sell if it breaks all those lows. If it breaks all those lows at 21,939, that might be a good entry for a sell. Yeah.
So you can start at whatever you want to. You can make them.
Oh, wow. What are we doing? What are we doing? What are we doing? This is a it may even not. It may just be trying to trick people and not even go down to retest. So let's see. We got 3 times 20, that's 60. That's a $60 risk that I'm taking. Okay, what I'm gonna take it. Okay, so it faked me out or what? You faked me out? Ah, it faked me out. Oh, wait. Oh, it faked me out. So you see, that was an entry that I was interested in, but it faked me out. Oh, actually, no, it's going down again. I'm holding it with faith. I'm giving it another try. It broke that low. It might not obey it. It might not respect it, but it might not respect it. Huh. So it did a fake out, a beautiful fake out to try to go up. What a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful fake out again. It went all the way up. Oh, wow. There we go. That should be a good entry. Okay. So it's playing today. So it's building liquidity so it can continue up, and I think it's gonna break those highs. Definitely, definitely gonna break those highs. And I might be there for it. I entered a couple of times. Oh wow. Oh wow, beautiful. Oh wow, very beautiful. Let's see what is it gonna do.
Danny, you don't want me to answer this one?
Nah, it's very risky. It kicked me out like twice before I actually found a direction, so I found it kind of weird. Yeah, it's kind of like acting like, hey, I don't know kind of where to go. I kind of went down, but then I went up. It's hit me with that.
Danny.supreme.
Yeah, in a small time frame. So it's kind of like acting weird. So what I'm gonna do is, if it is acting, I mean, if it is ranging, right? Two things that I may do. I'm gonna wait again until if it breaks over here to retest, or then fine. I'll wait until all the way until it breaks that. Well, now it looks like it's gonna do that. Oh wow, now it looks like it's gonna do that. Or is it? Or is it gonna respect that little channel? Looks like it's gonna respect that channel. This is a small channel that it has over here. Where is it? Right here. This is a small channel that it's trying to respect. Mm. I think it's trying to build momentum so it can go up. That's what it's trying to do. Uh-huh. Let's see how the time frames are looking here. Mm. I think it's building momentum to go up. We got another little channel here. It's kind of like a little 1 minute bull flag. Mm. Mm. Now it's trying to build that momentum, huh? Maybe the 10 a.m. candle is going to be a pressure up. We'll see how it reacts. Oh, wow. Look at you. Look at you. Hmm.
It's gaining momentum and it's breaking. Yeah,
It looks
this
like,
candle might go down, all right?
yeah, it looks like
I'm
I
gonna
want
enter a
to,
sell.
yeah, if you enter a sell, do your stop loss above 21,947. But we need to see where, we need to see how deep this drop is going to be because it still hasn't filled anything here. Yeah. It's like hesitated, this idiot. Trying to do a freaking,
I mean, what the fuck? It says
whatever.
that I'm losing 31 bucks, but I'm in the positive.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. You say you're up 31 bucks?
No, this just says I'm down 31 bucks, but I know I'm up, bro. But it's just glitching on me.
Yeah.
That, yeah, how much I'm up. I have no
Okay, so
idea.
get out. Okay, that's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Get out and go back in. Just get out and go back in. Get out of the app, go back in right away and end it. Hurry up. Hurry up. Just do it fast, bro. Do it fast. Please do it fast. You're up right now. Just do it fast. And get out and get out. Get out. Get out. Get out. Get out right away. Bro, get out right away, please. Just get out right away.
Take back.
No, no, no. Didn't you? There wasn't you profitable? No, no, no. I get out.
Yeah.
Are you out?
Yeah, no, I profit 25 bucks, but
All right. Well,
that shit was
I
gay,
thought
bro.
you were
It's gay,
you
bro.
you kind of scared me. I thought you were in it and then it didn't let you get
I'm
out.
not right
Nah,
now.
nah, nah, nah. You don't re-enter now. No, it's over now. Trust me, bro. What I'm telling you. The entry was when I was screaming at you to get out because I think you was in a cell.
No, it was I was in, but the thing is, it stayed like it was saying in negative 29 bucks, but I know it was a negative 29 bucks. So that shit was all the way down,
Yeah, that
and it
was
wasn't
this.
letting me put stop loss. It was
Yeah.
glitchy, bro. I made $26. It's not too bad.
Yeah, that's good, bro. What the hell? That's a little account. $26 off of
Nah,
account.
but I was down like I entered two trades like while it was ranging, and I was down like 20 bucks. So I must have made like 40
Like 40
something.
something,
But
yeah. Yeah, let me see. I could tell you how much you made, probably.
damn, bro.
Listen. Yeah, you made like 40 something dollars. You got out of one and you won one. Yeah, because this range, this drop right here, it's like $50 in general. But it's all right, bro. You won. Come on, man. You can't get mad. You won. I mean, you didn't win. You know what it is, Jeremy? I spoil you too much, bro, with them $80 wins and $75 wins. Those wins do come, but they don't always come. You know what I'm saying? Those are big ass wins. I know, but today it's okay. Your computer glitched and you still won. That's very, very important. You know what I'm saying? It could have went the other way, bro. It could have went the other way. So you got $25. That's fine. I mean, to end a Friday like that, I mean, that's fine, bro. I mean, I would be happy ending like that. At least you didn't end. At least you didn't end. You didn't. You didn't. Danny.Supreme, you there? Who's hitting me up? What are you talking to me for?
Danny, you can hear me, right?
Yeah.
Your screen stopped sharing, bro.
Oh shit. My bad. I was responding to somebody hitting me up. Uh. Oh. Oh. Do you guys have any questions, dudes? Oh, what the fuck was that?
Oh, oh, Danny, look at that shit.
What the hell was this? Can I share my screen? What's going on, man? The fuck? Damn. Jeremy, you see, you can't get mad at me. That's news, bro. That is news. That is not anything. Yeah, that right there is news, bro.
This shit glitchy. I heard, man.
Wow, bro. That shit just dropped down 240 points within a minute. 1 minute. That thing's yeah, that took out everybody. And look, it's still respected, bro. It's still respected that low. The low from yesterday.
I sold them almost at the bottom.
Who's you sold them almost at the bottom?
Jeremy? Yeah, like 300 bucks. It blitzed though. It froze. I closed it back up when I
Yeah,
sold.
yeah.
It wouldn't. It was just frozen. I closed it, opened it back up, and it actually sold.
That's crazy.
Okay.
Well, you know what, guys? The market might just drop today, man. I mean, I don't know. We'll see. Well, it's in this important zone here. Um, I'll be honest with you. The way that the market is acting, it gave a strong move, a crazy ass drop. It's kind of scary to get in right now. I mean, what do you guys think? Yeah, I know.
I think it's dropping hella.
It is dropping hella, but this is a zone right here. This is just a zone. In order for me to get confident in that drop, that shit needs to break. That shit needs to break this low, which is probably gonna do it because it's acting like a biatch. Yeah, it's definitely gonna now it's gonna drop. Now it's dropping. Wow. Okay. Something is going on over here.
That fair value got from yesterday into the 11.
Nah, bro. I think it's gonna drop. That's crazy. I'm entering being a I'm entering just to I'm entering a dollar just to see. But
You gotta buy it. If you're buying, you buy it, and if you're value it, you can make like $1,000.
yeah, not now.
That's yesterday's fair value.
What is it? A 1 hour fair value gap or what?
Yeah. No, no, okay. Go on the 4 hour.
Yeah.
Remember the levels you marked yesterday? Remember those wicks hitting that 4 hour fair value
Oh
gap?
yeah, nah, but wait a minute, bro. This might be a wick fill. Nah, bro, this might be a wick fill, bro.
Yeah.
Ay, ay, ay. Nah, I think this might drop, bro. Look at all these wicks to fill. Look at all this. It's not done. The move is not done. The move is not done. The move is not done. I'm telling you, I told you the move is not done. Nope, the move is not done. Bro, the move is not done. You up?
Not anymore.
The move is looking to drop, bro. The move is looking to drop.
I'm telling you, it's just gonna touch that. It's just gonna touch it and go back up. Touch it. Just touch it gently.
Gently. This shit is looking, this shit is looking, woo! Wow. I'm telling you, it's filling those wicks, bro. Nah. I'm telling you, bro, it's gonna fill those wicks. That shit is gone. That shit is gone. It's gonna finally break this thing right here, and it's gonna fill this 4 hour thing right here. But it's crazy to get in now because it's doing. Yeah, my boy. My boy did the Patriots. All right, you gotta run. You gotta run away, bro. Run away from that fucking computer, bro.
Okay, one back up now.
You up $75. You did it yourself, bro. Damn. You listen to your gut. Good job, Jeremy. Good job, Jeremy.
$5 for the day, you heard?
That's it, bro. That's it. Call it a day. You're done. That's it, bro. That's it. Call it a day. Call it a day, my man. Nah, this shit is dropping all day. Yeah, this shit is dropping all day. It's gonna break. Remember this move? Remember this that I told you guys that the yesterday? This move right here? This move right here? Yes. If it breaks this, that shit is dropping down. I'm gonna tell you why. Look at all these wicks. It's filling all these wicks. These are buyers, guys. These are buyers. Pay attention to what I'm telling you. These are buyers. This candle has a choice. It's either gonna drop down right here crazy, like in a moment, or it's gonna do it either way, but it's going to do it because it's kicking all these buyers that thought that they were gonna hold forever, kicking them out. Now, if it goes up after that, it's fine. But we have this is the gap right here that is attracted to. It tried to go here, it failed. It tried to drop here, it failed. It tried to drop here, it failed. We will see.
Think it's gonna keep going up, or you think it's gonna go up at the same time?
It's probably gonna drop. Probably gonna go up now, but it's gonna have to come down. What I'm saying is that either way, it's gonna be today or Monday. But this right here has to get filled. If you're looking at my screen, here it has to look at my. But look, guys, we're satisfied. Jeremy, you're good. That was a nice, beautiful comeback for a Friday, bro. That was a you did you actually follow your gut. I'm gonna be real with you. I kind of entered on that sell really quickly and I got out. So you kind of did the same thing. You did like a quick scalp and you made up for the losses that you did, bro. That you made the day before yesterday. So that's not bad, bro. You're back up to over $300. I'm assuming.
Nah, like 280.
All right, 280, fine. But you started at 160 the week before, and now you're on your way up. That's fine. Just leave it like that. Next week we'll gain back the other 100 or 200, whatever, and plus more. Our mission has not failed yet. We're going for the $1,000. We're going for the $1,000 from 160 to 1,000. That was good though. That was good. The thing is that this move was very, very fast. It's like it did a crazy drop, a crazy retrace. Now, for someone to get in this move, you know what needs to happen? They need to say, I'm gonna do my stop loss all the way up here, which is 100 and something points, which is very, very high. You know what I'm saying? It's high, high, very, very high. So that's too much.
But
So
the trade I got into, the shit was glitching. Both trades.
wow. Well, either way, either way, bro. Still
Like
proud
the
of you.
first trade I entered it I was not negative $90, but I know I was.
Oh wow.
And then this one was glitching too, like a low key glitch. Entered.
It glitched. It said negative 90. It glitched again. It said plus 75.
No, I didn't. And I literally like I knew I was up. I didn't know how much I was up. But I couldn't even see. Even when I logged back in, it was still negative 90.
That's crazy. Yeah, I'm done for the day. Positive for the day. It almost had me though. I'll tell you why. I entered over here, but it gave me a couple of fake outs, so I lost a little here. And then I gave myself a third try to enter here. So any questions, guys, before I disconnect? I got about 15 minutes that I can answer any questions. I see a couple of new people here. I recorded this so I can post it later on. And I'm gonna post it in the channel of that's called, in case you missed it, I'm gonna post it in the channel that's called recorded live sessions here. That's where I'm gonna post it. That's where I'm gonna post it. And basically you guys can see how I kind of trade, how I get in the market, how I get out. Even when I lose, you're gonna see when I lose and how do I react when I lose, right? Do I get mad? Do I get angry? Do I start going crazy? No. You guys are gonna be able to see everything like live. So I pre-recorded it through Zoom. I'm gonna upload it on my YouTube later, and then I'll do the link so you guys can see a little bit. And that's how I used to learn. Can I be real with you? When I used to learn how to trade as well, I used to, I was part of this live with one of the forex traders, very very famous, and then I learned, I went to his boot camp. I remember it was in Florida, but at that time I was living in Rhode Island. So I'm from Rhode Island originally. I moved here about a year and a half ago, basically to be a trader. Not even kidding. I moved here to be a trader. That's why I moved here. No other reason. I told myself, I said, look, I know that I believe in this. I believe in the movement. I believe that trading is possible. And look, um, and also for the people who's gonna look at this later, guys, you know, whether you're not or you are a fan of the president now, either way, doesn't matter. The point is, the point is that when he is in power, the market moves like crazy. And that's what I'm concerned. That's what I want. I want to just make money. So, if you stick to this, if you stick coming to the lives, if you stick learning how I react, you have 4 years to make a lot of money. Legit. Or at least to build cushion, however you want to call it. So take advantage. Yeah, it looks like a continuation down, but I don't think I want to take that. I think I'm good for today, man. My psychology is a little bit tired. But you can do a paper trade. Watch. Paper trade. Oh, I'm gonna enter here. Paper trade. Oh, my stop loss is $50. Oh, my exit is 63. This is how I practice. And then it's moving down. Cool. Adjust your stop loss. Bam. You know? And that's it. But Alex says that the market is gonna go up. I'm saying that the market is gonna go down. What happened, Jeremy?
Just keep going down.
I know. It's teasing you. But
Nah, I'm done. I'm done.
yeah, yeah.
The edge from the retrace. Edge from the retrace. I know it's gonna go down. I'm like, nah, I'm not even.
And guys, for you guys to know, Jeremy legit started with me trading literally about 4 weeks ago. He started first with paper trading, right? Paper trading, which is this, what I just showed you. He got used to the way that I enter. And look, today, without me, he literally entered a move. I said, "You entered?" He said, "Yeah, bro. I seen it go up." Bam. He learned. I'm saying that it's possible for you guys to do it too. He learned. He started 4 weeks ago. You know how long it took me to freaking build confidence? It took me years. But when you have somebody that's passionate and that cares about, because I was a personal trainer for 10 years. So I used to love training and teaching people form and teaching people how to squat, teaching people, everything that has to do with whatever. So I like teaching. I like teaching. I like making, you know, people happy and people money. You know what I'm saying? Like it makes me happy when he says, "Bro, I entered and I made money. Now I can go to Dunkin' Donuts and get me a nice coffee in peace, even though it's not good for my stomach." But I'm a sacrificer for Jeremy today. So I'm sacrificing a stomach pain for iced coffee for you because you, bro. You know what I'm saying? Deserves a clap. So guys, next week, make sure you have Trading View. If you do not have anything, I don't want you guys to look at my lives, right? And not have nothing to practice with, right? Get Trading View right here. Trading View. It's free for now. And then when you want to do paper trading, which is, I'll show you right now.
Yo, G, I'm gonna start getting ready for it.
All right, bro. Have a good day. Good job. Um,
Nah.
so this is a fake account, right? Right here. And with this fake account, I'm able to practice that as negative, whatever, whatever. And I'm able to practice and make believe I'm entering. You know what I'm trying to tell you guys? So for example, if it's 5 minutes and I want to make believe that I'm gonna enter here, right? I come out of nowhere and I say, let me just delete this real quick. I come out of nowhere and I say, oh, I think the market is gonna go up. Or let's say it's gonna go down. Either way. I make believe and I press a buy. Bam. I just say it's gonna go up. I press a buy. I'm already in it, you see? And I'm practicing with $1. So I'm making believe that my account has money. So my brain could later on um get used to the way, of trading. Like just get the move of it. I'm sacrificing $23 and then bam. You know what I'm saying? And this is how you get used to trading. So therefore, when you're ready, when you feel comfortable, that's exactly what Jeremy did. He did this for 2, 3 weeks. It didn't take him a lot. Now he said, "Yo, Danny, I want to deposit money." I said, "Okay. You think you're ready?" "Yeah, I think I'm ready." "Okay." And then now, we won on Monday, we won on Tuesday, we lost on Wednesday, Thursday, and then today he won again. So 3 winning days, 2 losing days. Not bad. Not bad. You know what I'm saying? So that's it for today, guys. Any more questions before I disconnect? No questions? All right. And sometimes, guys, I'm gonna do random market breakdowns in the middle of the week at nighttime. So stay tuned on that. I'll just announce it and I'll be like, yo, guys, I'm gonna do a random market breakdown, which means that I'll teach for free one time a week. So one time a week, I'll teach for free on market breakdown. All right. So much love, guys. Thanks a lot. Have a blessed day. All right. Blessed day. Bless you too, man. See ya. Bye, guys.